woman should have to go through menstrual pain again. Hi, my Sabi people. We all know menstrual cramps can be very painful, making it hard to go about your day. Instead of relying on painkillers, here are 7 simple home remedies to help you relieve your pain naturally. 1. Drink ginger tea. Ginger helps to reduce period pain because it fights inflammation. Just buy fresh ginger in hot water, add a little honey, drink it. It works like magic. Please do not try this if you have peptic ulcer or gastroesophageal reflux disease. 2. Use heat. A warm water bottle or heating pad on your belly helps to relax your muscles and reduce cramps. If you don't have one, soak a towel in warm water, squeeze it and place it on your stomach. 3. Try light exercise. Simple exercises like stretching, walking, or yoga can help reduce pain. Exercise increases blood flow and releases endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. 4. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Foods like bananas, granules, and beans help relax your muscles and reduce cramps. Try eating more of these during your period. Number 5, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated reduces bloating and cramps. Herbal teas like chamomile and peppermint can also help to soothe your belly. 6, massage with essential oils. Massaging your lower belly with coconut oil or a little shea butter mix with lavender oil can help ease the pain. Just rub in circles for a few minutes. Number 7, reduce caffeine and stress. Too much coffee, sugary drinks, and stress can make your period pain worse. Try to stay relaxed and drink drinks like zobo or warm water instead. So my Sabi people, every woman's body is different. So try these remedies and see what works best for you. If the pain is too much or lasts too long, please visit a doctor. Take care of yourself and spread the word to other women. At Sabi Health, we care about you. The only pain you should feel is the pain to success. Bye, my Sabi people. See you next time.